people inside the organization actually don't understand the difference between management consultants and the contractors. In precision, there is a difference. There is a clear-cut difference which needs to be very clear. Otherwise, it will lead to loss of capital, loss of resources, or even stall of a project. Management consultants are often the strategic hire for the company. Whether the management consultants would be hired for a specific job or to complete the specific assignment, this needs to be decided by the CEOs or the CXOs of the company. Temporary staffs like contractors are often hired by the human resource, and they are hired to solve the operational task on day-to-day daily basis. Management consultants are hired to solve a particular task or assignment or a issue that is persistent inside the organization for a long period of time or cannot be solvable by the internal employees. That's why management consultants are hired. So they are often not 9 to 5 workers, but they are paid hourly basis for a certain period of time till the completion of the project. So another key difference between consultants and the contractors is that consultants advise and contractors execute. Consultants are not often the part of the implementation most of the time. Contractors work under specific scope of contracts for a short period of time. Consultants work for a consultancy firm, or they are often independent advisors for a long period. They are not often 9 to 5 workers. Consultants provide deliverables which are knowledge based in terms of drawings, charts, mapping diagrams, process documents, process diagrams, etc. Contractors provide finished products, services such as IT infrastructure, house in a complete house, or telecom infrastructure, complete, etc.